In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Jira dashboard to PDF in just 5 minutes. Whether you're presenting project updates or keeping records for later review, knowing how to export a dashboard can be incredibly handy. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Jira website, which is where all the magic happens. This is where your dashboards reside, storing important data and visualizations about your projects. So, open up your favorite web browser and go to the Jira website. Once there, ensure you're at the login page, ready to sign in. Next, you'll need to sign in to your account. Usually, we do this by clicking on the Google option to sign in seamlessly using your Google account. This step is crucial as it authenticates your access to all your dashboards and ensures you have the appropriate permissions to export any data you need. Once you've signed in, it's time to go to the specific dashboard you want to export. Each dashboard contains various gadgets and information tailored to your projects, so make sure you've selected the correct one before proceeding. Think of it like setting up your workspace for the task at hand. Precision matters. Now that we're on the correct dashboard, it's time to move forward with exporting the data. This is where your keyboard shortcut knowledge can come in very handy. You'll want to press Ctrl+P if you're using a Windows machine. If you're on a Mac, Command+P does the trick. This opens up the print dialog, a familiar screen you've likely seen before whenever you want to print a document. From the print dialog, we're going to choose the option to print or save as a PDF. Look for the destination or printer drop-down menu and select Save as PDF. Make sure everything looks right in the preview, as this is what your PDF will look like once it's saved or printed. Finally, once you're satisfied with the preview and settings, go ahead and click Print. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to save the file to your computer. Here's a little tip. Even though we're saving it as a PDF, it might be useful to add .csv in the file name if you also plan to export the data for further analysis in spreadsheet software later on. This extra step doesn't affect the PDF export but can be a useful reminder if you're managing various file types. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Jira dashboard to a PDF. This powerful tool keeps your project information compact and portable, making your reports easy to share and archive. I hope this guide helps you execute this task efficiently and empowers you to focus on what truly matters in managing your projects. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more tips and tricks.